In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a round standing shelf in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make a basic shape with a circle, maybe. We can use a circle for the stick. So then we can set the radius with any size. For example, it's about 40 millimeter for the radius. And we can push it up around 1500 approximately. So then we can make it group anyway. Okay, and then we can make a circle. Okay, and then we can place on the center point, and we can type 60 as an enter. Okay, and then we can set it with maybe around 300. We can push it down. Okay, and then we can make it group. Okay, and then we can make component, create. Okay, so then we can move and press Control to duplicate it. We can move and press Control to duplicate it. And place on here, and then we can type 5 slash. Okay, it's about the round shelf or round standing shelf anyway. So then we can set the material with wood. We can use this material, for example. Okay, something just like this, or maybe we can make the duplication. We can select all, make group, and then we can move and press Control to duplicate it. Okay, maybe just something like this. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you about learning the basic of 3D modeling shaping on SketchUp, and wait for my next video. Thank you.